Today we're going to talk about what we don't like here at YB Typical. We have this Black & Decker, DeWalt planer, and we don't like programmed obsolescence, and they have planned this very well to make sure you will buy hundreds and hundreds, if not thousands of dollars worth of blades for this tool. We figured out a way to sharpen them. We take a nice plank of wood here, we put two 45-degree angle cuts in it, and then we place the blades in those cuts. Then we take a stone and we rub it over the top. Start with a coarse stone and we rotate through the edges, marking the edges so you know when you've got to the cutting edge. This will also work for other planer blades, similar ones. I think you'd use it on a Win if you are unfortunate enough to have that planer instead of unfortunate enough to have the DeWalt. So I got 6 surfaces, just rotate through them, coming down on the grits. So the most important part of this whole process isn't that you're actually putting a little bit of a micro bevel on or that you break the burr at the end or anything like that. The most important thing these blades are in the perfect position to slice you really well, and they're good at it. So whatever precautions you have to take, this is one place where you could do some damage. To clean up the back of the blades, that's the longest side, we just take a regular stone, knock the burr off, and just flatten it a little bit. Just gets at that last bit of razor sharp. Again, a good place to slice the living daylights out of yourself. This is some ash, and as you can tell, hopefully at the camera, you can maybe blow this up or put it on a big screen, but this thing is super smooth and a really nice finish. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped. Catch you next time.